कैसा लग रहा है? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? थोड़ा बुखार है। आई हैव ए बीट ऑफ फीवर। आई हैव ए बीट ऑफ फीवर। डॉक्टर के पास चले? शैल वी गो टू द डॉक्टर? शैल वी गो टू द डॉक्टर? हाँ चलो। यस लेट्स गो। यस लेट्स गो। क्लिनिक कितने बजे खुलता है? What time does the clinic open? What time does the clinic open? सुबह 10 बजे. At 10 a.m. At 10 a.m. अभी चले क्या? Shall we go now? Shall we go now? हाँ जल्दी निकलते हैं. Yes, let's leave early. Yes, let's leave early. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. स्वेटर पहन लो. Wear your sweater. Wear your sweater. पानी की बोतल ले लो. Take the water bottle. Take the water bottle. हाँ रख ली. Yes, I have taken it. Yes, I have taken it. कार निकालूं? Shall I take out the car? Shall I take out the car? हाँ निकालो. Yes, take it out. Yes, take it out. क्लिनिक पास ही है. The clinic is nearby. The clinic is nearby. हाँ 5 मिनट लगेंगे. Yes, it will take 5 minutes. Yes, it will take 5 minutes. मास्क पहन लिया? Did you wear the mask? Did you wear the mask? हाँ पहन लिया. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. चलो पहुँच गए. Come on, we have reached. Come on, we have reached. डॉक्टर को नाम लिखवा दो. Write the name for appointment. Write the name for appointment. कितने बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट चाहिए? For what time do you need the appointment? For what time do you need the appointment? अभी का दे दीजिए. Give us one for now. Give us one for now. वेटिंग में बैठ जाइए. Please sit in the waiting area. Please sit in the waiting area. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. मम्मी कितनी देर लगेगी? Mom, how long will it take? Mom, how long will it take? बस थोड़ी देर. Just a little while. Just a little while. डॉक्टर बुला रहे हैं. The doctor is calling. The doctor is calling. चलो अंदर चलते हैं. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. क्या परेशानी है? What's the problem? What's the problem? इनको बुखार है. He has fever. He has fever. कब से बुखार है? Since when? Since when? कल रात से. Since last night. Since last night. और कोई दिक्कत? Any other problem? Any other problem? गला भी दर्द कर रहा है. My throat is also hurting. My throat is also hurting. चलो गला दिखाओ. Show me your throat. Show me your throat. जी डॉक्टर. Yes doctor. Yes doctor. थोड़ी सूजन है. There is slight swelling. There is slight swelling. दवा लिख दीजिए. Please write the medicine. Please write the medicine. ये सिरप दिन में 3 बार लेना. Take this syrup 3 times a day. Take this syrup 3 times a day. ठीक है डॉक्टर. Okay डॉक्टर. Okay डॉक्टर. 3 दिन बाद दोबारा दिखाना. Show him again after 3 days. Show him again after 3 days. जी ठीक है. All right. All right. धन्यवाद डॉक्टर. Thank you डॉक्टर. Thank you डॉक्टर. जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे. You will recover soon. You will recover soon. बिल कितना हुआ? How much is the bill? How much is the bill? 500 रुपए. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. ये लीजिए. Here you go. Here you go. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. चलो घर चलते हैं. Let's go home. Let's go home. हाँ, मुझे नींद आ रही है. Yes, I am feeling sleepy. Yes, I am feeling sleepy. बेटा दवा ले लो. Take your medicine dear. Take your medicine dear. कितनी दवा लेनी है? How much should I take? How much should I take? चम्मच से आधा. Half a spoon. Half a spoon. ठीक है ले लिया. Okay done. Okay done. पानी पी लिया. Did you drink water? Did you drink water? हाँ अभी पी लिया. Yes, I just drank. Yes, I just drank. अब आराम करो. Now rest. Now rest. क्या टीवी देख सकता हूँ? Can I watch TV? Can I watch TV? थोड़ी देर बाद. After a while. After a while. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. कंबल ढक लो. Cover yourself with the blanket. Cover yourself with the blanket. हाँ मम्मी. Yes mom. Yes mom. नींद अच्छी आएगी. You'll sleep well. You'll sleep well. हाँ आराम लग रहा है. Yes, I feel comfortable. Yes, I feel comfortable. गर्म पानी से पंखा मत चलाओ. Don't run the fan while drinking hot water. Don't run the fan while drinking hot water. हाँ ध्यान रखूंगा. Yes, I'll be careful. Yes, I'll be careful. खिड़की थोड़ी खोल दो. Open the window a little. Open the window a little. हाँ थोड़ा खोल दिया. Yes, open a little. Yes, open a little. हल्का खाना ही खाना. Eat light food only. Eat light food only. क्या खाऊं? What should I eat? What should I eat? दाल और रोटी. दाल and chapati. दाल and chapati. ठीक है खा लूंगा. Okay, I'll eat. Okay, I'll eat. जूस भी पियो. Drink juice too. Drink juice too. हाँ, ऑरेंज जूस पी लूंगा. Yes, I'll have orange juice. Yes, I'll have orange juice. मोबाइल थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दो. Leave the mobile for a while. Leave the mobile for a while. हाँ माँ. Yes mom. Yes mom. तापमान देख लिया? Did you check your temperature? Did you check your temperature? बहुत बढ़िया. धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगा. Very good. You will get better gradually. Very good. You will get better gradually. आराम से सोना. Sleep peacefully. Sleep peacefully. हाँ, मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm going to sleep. Yes, I'm going to sleep. बिस्तर में तकिए अच्छे से लगाओ. Adjust your pillows properly in bed. Adjust your pillows properly in bed. हाँ, कर लिया. Yes, done. Yes, done. चाय नहीं पीनी अभी. Don't drink tea now. Don't drink tea now. हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. रात को दवा याद रखना. Remember to take medicine at night. Remember to take medicine at night. हाँ पापा. Yes dad. Yes dad. अब सो जाओ. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. मम्मी, दर्द कम हो गया. Mom, the pain has reduced. Mom, the pain has reduced. हाँ, ये दवा का असर है. Yes, that's the effect of the medicine. Yes, that's the effect of the medicine. अब हफ्ते के बाकी दिन आराम करना. Now rest for the remaining days of the week. Now rest for the remaining days of the week. हाँ पापा. Yes dad. Yes dad. सुबह उठकर फिर तापमान चेक करना. Check your temperature again in the morning. Check your temperature again in the morning. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. डॉक्टर की अगली अपॉइंटमेंट याद रखना. Remember the next doctor's appointment. Remember the next doctor's appointment. हाँ, मैं नोट कर लूँगा. Yes, I'll note it. Yes, I'll note it. अब सो जाओ, जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे. Now sleep, you'll get better soon. Now sleep, you'll get better soon. हाँ मम्मी. Yes mom. Yes mom.